numpy elementwise comparison with overloaded operator. I have two numpy arrays containing objects with an overloaded comparison operator that returns another object, instead of true or false. How can I create an array containing the results of the individual comparisons? I would like result to be an array of objects like in the following. But LHS equals RHS gives me an array of bools. Is there a way to get to the result to be the array of the results of the _la_ method calls without writing a Python loop?
NumPy's GitHub page on Array states that the comparison operators are equivalent to the ufunct forms in NumPy. Therefore LHS equals RHS is equivalent to np.less _ equal LHS, RHS. From the output of np.info np.less _ equal. To get around this you can use the np.vectorize will allow you to use NumPy's broadcasting in the comparisons too. It will use your object's comparison and will return a NumPy array of the results of those comparisons in the same form as your list comprehension.
Multiple